Hello and welcome. Today I want to show you what my code review workshops are all about. So my name is Dr. McKayla and I dedicated my time to help teams make code reviews their superpower. So I worked with a lot of teams at Microsoft, for example, for several years, and I did large-scale studies. And in 2018, I started working with teams all around the world. And I started working with them because I saw that code reviews are so beneficial. They provide so many benefits to many engineering teams. For example, you can improve your code quality, you can find defects, you can share knowledge, you increase your collaboration, you mentor, you teach. But that's not everything, right? Code reviews also come with a lot of drawbacks, with a lot of pitfalls. And I saw teams over and over again stumble across the same mistakes, right? So they had a reduced productivity, they had only low code review feedback quality, and many other things, bullying, conflicts, everything going on in code reviews. And so I analyzed tons of data, I did large-scale studies, and I developed a framework where I can help teams actually get from wherever they are in this spectrum, and wherever they are, I can pick them up and I can bring them to the power reviews. What are power reviews? Well, power reviews are fast and effective code reviews. Now you think, but can we actually do that? Can we increase the speed of the process and the feedback value? And the answer is yes. And I show you in my code review workshops, I show you exactly how you can do it. The workshops are very hands-on, they're very interactive. A lot of exercises there from a social perspective. So how do you communicate? How do you resolve conflicts? How can I teach and mentor my colleagues? But also very technical. What should I look at during code reviews? How should a code review description look like? Which tools should we use? How can we break up commits or code reviews into smaller units? If you're using, for example, Git, we are looking at some of the tools around Git, for example, Git patch. How can have coherent parts of the code review? And finally, we are looking at the process. So what are sensible guidelines? What are guidelines that are actually beneficial for your goals that you have as a team? And as I said, everything is very hands-on. There are tons of exercises, discussions. We're very interactive. A lot of the workshops nowadays are remote. And I was a little bit skeptical at first, but actually it works very, very well. So I hope that I see you at one of my code review workshops and that I can make code reviews your superpower. That would be really awesome. So have a good day and thanks for watching.